This is going to be a pretty short video about proportions and percents. The main thing I want for you to remember in this is that is over of equals percent over 100. Okay, and if you're looking at it and saying, I don't know what you mean, I'm going to explain. I'll give you an example real quick. 10 is 20% of 50. Okay, let's show how we do that using this right here. So what I put on the last page was 10 is 20% of 50. Let's say one of those was unknown. Let's say I said 30 is 10% of what? Okay, let's start putting in what we know. 30 is, 10 is our percent, and of is what we are trying to find. Okay, so we'd solve this like a proportion where we'd cross multiply and divide, and so we would do 30 times 100 and 10 times x. That gives us 10x equals 3,000. Then we divide by 10, we get x equals 300. Let's try another. What is 20% of 60? Okay, well 60 is our of, so 60. 20 is our percent, and then what is, so is what we are trying to find. Again, we would cross multiply. We would get 100x equals 1200. We would then divide by 100 on both sides. We would get x equals what? I trust you all said 12. One last one, and I want you to do it as I go along. So I'm going to do 25 is what percent of 75? So now you put in what goes where. You should say that 25 is, 75 is our of, and then our percent is our what, which is x. So again, we need to cross multiply, and then we get 75x equals 2,500. We would then divide by 75 on both sides, and then see what you get. Did you get a funny repeating number? Did you get 33.3% repeating? If you did, you're correct. So we know that 25 is 33.3% repeating of 75.